It's been a great day so far. I've been able to get started on a lot of projects. I was able to fill up one of my garden beds outside, pulled out a tomato plant to put a currant bush there. Been able to start smoking some peppers. I got some pork cooking over in the slow cooker. It's been a great day. And you know what's even better about it is we're going to be making some peach habanero jalapeno hot sauce. And it's gonna be delightful. Hey everybody, welcome back to Everyday Harvest. I'm John. I've got some people coming over later this afternoon. We're gonna be doing some pulled pork stuff, and I think this peach hot sauce is going to be just on point for it. So let's dive into this. All right, so we got our ingredients all laid out in front of us today. We've got some peaches, we've got some habaneros. These are from my last year's harvest, so they're just cooling off a little bit, or warming up, I guess, from the freezer. And we got some jalapenos. So habaneros and jalapenos for our hot and heat stuff today. We've got some onion and garlic for flavor. We've also got some sugar, some salt, and some apple cider vinegar. We're going to be making the sauce, and let's get into this. We're gonna start with the habaneros. Gonna take out the tops. I'll lose some of the seeds in this. I am making hot sauce, so it's okay if some of the seeds make it in, because I want it to be hot. So we're gonna start with the habaneros, and then we'll start chopping up the jalapenos. So we're gonna be cooking these down in a little bit, so I'm gonna keep these at a rough chop, keep them with enough cuts so we get all that flavor coming through. I'm actually super excited. Of all the peppers out there, I love the taste of the habanero pepper. It's just got such a warm, earthy flavor to it, and it's just so tasty. It's kind of fruity at the same time, just a little earthy, a little fruity. Then we throw in the peaches in a minute, and it's gonna be delicious. Okay, next thing we're gonna do, we're going to peel off the skin of the peaches, take out the pits, and then we're gonna keep going. As you can see, I'm not trying to get the whole peel off. I want most of it, but there are some pieces that it's okay. A little bit of skin is good for you. It's got good fiber. It's got all that good stuff you sometimes need. All right, we got our main stuff chopped up, ready to go. I'm super excited about this. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to blend these all together, just a nice rough blend, nothing serious. Let some of the liquids come out of the peaches and the peppers, and then we're going to just let it simmer for a good long time. So at this point, let's just throw it in the pan. All right, so what we've done so far is we've prepped all of the ingredients. We've got them all chopped up, took them through the blender a little bit, get them nice and thin. For now, we're just gonna let this heat up and get up on simmer. I'm gonna take it through the blender one more time, just so that we can get it as thin as possible. I'm gonna thin it out with my strainer afterwards, but for now, we're just gonna let this sit here. It's gonna be about 30 to 45 minutes, and then we'll be good to go. So we'll see you when it's done. You can see it here, it's been simmering for about 45 minutes or so. So I'm gonna take the heat off of it, and I'm gonna blend this up just a little bit more, just to let it meld a little more to my likings. And then it's gonna be delicious. We'll bottle it up then. So we're gonna let this cool, and we'll see you in a minute. Here we are for our next phase of the sauce, and that's going to be straining out some. I really wanted to see how it would be when it's thick too, so I'm gonna keep about half of it be thicker, because sometimes you need just a little bit of that fiber, because that's the stuff you need, right? So next step, we're going to take the rest of this. We're going to use my thin strainer here. If you've got some cheesecloth that you want to use, or something else similar to that, you can use the same thing. It's just a slightly different process. Got my spatula here to press it out, and then when we've got all the juice how I want it, we'll then pour it into the jar, and we're gonna see how this all tastes in a minute. So here we go. Some of it coming out. You're gonna definitely have to press some of it out, because you're gonna get a lot of extra stuff in there. All that liquid's there, but it's attached to the loveliness of the peppers and the peach. And so you're gonna have to press some of it out. As you can see, a lot more already. Since I'm here, I'm gonna scrape the bottom of this. I wish you could smell what I'm smelling, because it is delicious in here. To be fair, I've also got a lot of things happening. Woohoo, that's yummy. I'm gonna take the thick stuff and just scoop it out. I think I'm gonna dry these out because this tastes good. You can use that as a seasoning too. All right, let's try this. So I got some chips here, just basic corn tortilla chips, and I'm gonna try this hot sauce. It's gonna be great. All right, so first I wanna try the chunky stuff just because why not? It tastes good. It should taste good. It will taste good. Nice. It's really smooth in terms of like the texture. It's got a good amount of heat in there, but nothing crazy, honestly. I think I could double up on more habaneros or jalapenos and create a little bit more heat, but it's good. Yeah, let's go to the really thin one now. Look at that, just coat the chip. That's beautiful. Okay. I actually think I like this one a little bit better. It's not super thin, but the way it just is super smooth on it, I like. Now we did take some of the extra fibrous stuff out of it. And so I'm gonna try just some of that. We're gonna end up taking this and drying it out, making a seasoning out of it. It's gonna be delicious. I like that too. I mean, why wouldn't I like it? It's all the same stuff, right? Same ingredients. But in terms of the texture, I think this one's my favorite, followed by this and then that. So that means I like it just a little bit thinner, a little less chunky, even though I spent a good amount of time in the blender after it was cooking. Oh, that was tasty. I'm excited to have this. We're having pulled pork for dinner tonight. I'm definitely gonna be throwing some of this on there. It's gonna be awesome. And that, my friends, is our peach jalapeno habanero hot sauce. Try it on anything that you want. I personally, like I said, I'm gonna put it on some pulled pork tonight. It's awesome with chips. I put this on nachos, easy. If you like hot sauce with your eggs, this is actually quite tasty. That little bit of peach in there is great. It tastes like summer, if you will, even though it's October when I'm filming this. And it's really good. In the comments below, let me know what you're going to put. Oh, there's some of the heat coming in. That's a slow burner there. In the comments below, let me know what you like to have hot sauce on. Whether that's your eggs, whether that's a sandwich, on your enchiladas, on something else. Just let me know what you like putting hot sauce on, and let me know what you would like to try with these. I love making hot sauces, a variety of them, and this is just a lot of tasty goodness right here. Kind of wish I'd grabbed more chips, to be honest. So, as I said, Everyday Harvest, we're talking about learning stuff, doing stuff that's coming from my garden, from my kitchen, and we're gonna spend a lot more time. My hands are, hey, they're finally clean. I was digging it out in the dirt, as I said earlier. So now, my friends, is our hot sauce for today. Thanks for watching today, everybody. I hope you liked learning about making some hot sauce. This is one way of doing it. There are many other ways of doing it. Let me know in the comments what you like to put your hot sauce on, whether it's eggs, chips, burritos, whatever you like to put it on. I would like to try new things when I eat. That being said, have a great day and go make a mess with some sauce.